We need to live in a world where every voice matters, where compassion drives change,
and where unity fuels progress.
This is the Vegan and Animal Rights Conference 2024.
A gathering unlike any other, uniting passionate advocates and activists from all across the UK.
This conference isn't just about discussing change, it's about igniting it.
Participate in thought-provoking workshops and incredible sessions led by experienced members of the animal rights movement.
You will have the opportunity to collaborate with like-minded individuals and discover strategies that could be key to driving the incredible change we need.
Get the chance to network, connect, and forge meaningful relationships to create a livable future for all animals on the planet.
Join us on the 13th and 14th of April in Manchester, where together we can build the foundations of an incredible future for all.
Reserve your spot today by heading over to our website at www.varconference.com.